Hey crazy crew, I hope y'all are ready for this one because we have so much to talk about in today's video. It is insane. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. As you all can see, we are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event in today's video. If you are interested in my 2025 predictions for the future clearance events, make sure that you go back and check out this video right here. But for today's video, we're going to be talking about the clearance event that is going to start on February the 28th and run through March the 2nd. Now, this clearance event will include the clearance section and our POG clearance items, aka hidden clearance items, as well as seasonal categories. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at all of these seasonal categories that will be included in this clearance event and will be an additional 50% off. So at first, we have our Blue Dot apparel, currently sitting at 25% off. These items will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event unless you get really lucky and run up on an additional 70% off store. And we did talk about that additional 70% off in my 2025 predictions video, so make sure that you go and check that out. It will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now up next, we have our Gray Dot apparel. These items are currently sitting at 25% off as well, but will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Keep in mind, I'm just showing you all a few visuals in today's video from each category just to kind of jog your memory, but I will be uploading full visual videos for each category. Earlier this week, we did go over the Brown Dot Home category. We have a lot of hidden clearance items in that category, so you can find that video linked in the pinned comment as well. And then today, over on the second Crazy Coupons YouTube channel, I'm going to have the Valentine's Day and Purple Square gift sets video ready for you this morning, so be on the lookout for that. Up next, we have our Red Triangle socks. These are currently sitting at 25% off, and you guessed it, will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Now, there are tons of socks included in this category. Here are just a few. Next up, we have Select Stationery. These items are currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. So here's a quick look at some of the items that are included in this category. And again, be on the lookout for that full visual video. Up next, we have our Brown Dot Home category included in this clearance event. This category is currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Here's that video that I mentioned earlier. You definitely want to make sure that you go and check that out because we have so many awesome items included in our Brown Dot Home category and a lot of hidden clearance items as well. I was pretty shocked at the items that I found that were following this category. Up next, we have our gift tier table items. These are pink clover items. These are currently sitting at 50% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. So here's a look at a few items that will be included. Again, make sure that you're subscribed to my second channel. I will have that linked for you in the pinned comment down below because this week is definitely going to be a week where I will be uploading on both channels. Next up, we have our Super Bowl party items. These are currently sitting at 70% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. All right, now on this next one, listen up. We have our $1 football items. These will be dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, February the 25th, and they will be included in the clearance event. So if you want to pick these items up this Tuesday, they will be just 30 cents each. If you want to wait until the clearance event, these will be 15 cents each, and there are some fantastic items included in this category as well. Now, another change happening on Tuesday, February the 25th, our Valentine's Day seasonal category will drop down to 70% off, and these will also be included in the clearance event. And again, be on the lookout for that full visual video. I will be uploading that one over on the second channel called Too Crazy with Crazy Coupons. We have a lot of fun over there, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Here's another change happening on Tuesday, February the 25th. We have our holiday plastics dropping down to 70% off, and then these items will be included in the clearance event, so they will be an additional 50% off, making these storage items super, super cheap. I highly doubt there will be much left after this clearance event. Now, next up, we have our Red Dot Home category also dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, February the 25th. And these items will also be included in the clearance event. And we have tons and tons of storage items included in this category as well. I hope that y'all are as excited as I am for this clearance event because this is going to be epic. There are so many fantastic deals. Now, up next, we have Select Electronics. Some of these are sitting at 90% off. The majority of them are sitting sitting at 93% off, and these will be included in our clearance event, so they will be an additional 50% off. Now, I know a lot of people already picked them up at 93% off, but I'm sure there's still some out there somewhere. Just make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. Now, I also want to give you guys a heads up with this category. There are new items out on the sales floor right now that look identical to some of these items. Just to give you guys a good example, the tall Bluetooth speaker. Those are normally $45. Sometimes we get really good deals on those around Christmas time. You're going to see a picture coming up in just a second right here. We have new ones that just hit the sales floor this past year, and then we have these older ones that are following along with this category. So, like I said, scan, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Now, while we're taking a look at these items, I do want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you to those of you who hit the thumbs up button and leave comments underneath the video. That is a huge help. And I absolutely love sitting down at the end of the day and going through the comment section and seeing what you guys are up to. So don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking about this clearance event and what are you excited for. Also, you might want to go ahead and turn on those notifications and make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals this week, because I will be uploading videos every single day going over hidden clearance items and coupon matchups. Alright, now up next we have our aged as seen on TV category. These items are currently sitting at 90 or 93% off, and they will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Again, I know that a lot of people already pick these items up when they hit 93% off, but you just never know when it comes to a Dollar General clearance event. A lot of stores take this opportunity to clean out that back room, and you never know what they're going to pull out. Now, while we're taking a look at the items included in this category, I also want to remind everybody, make sure that you are signed up on all of the rebate apps and couponing apps. Those always come in handy whenever we have a DG clearance event, and I have all of my favorites listed and linked for you in the description box underneath this video. Up next, let's talk about sales. We're going to have our blue and yellow star toys on sale for 50% off during this clearance event. We are also going to have our purple dot home category on sale for 50% off, and the Predo baby wipes will be on sale for 50% off. But we also have some sales starting today at Dollar General. Here we have our Toss pillows. These are going to be on sale, buy one, get one free through March the 13th. We're also going to have a bathroom sale. These items will be 50% off through March the 13th. But we're not done just yet. Let's go ahead and talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General's. So at select stores, we're going to have our textured hair care category dropping down to 1 penny. This is a huge, your miles may vary. Please type in the UPC codes and see if you can find a store near you. We do have coupons and DG cashback offers, as well as rebates on the Cream of Nature, Suave, and Shea Moisture products. Now remember, these items are only going to be a penny at select stores. You can look them up right now using the UPC code. These items are 90% off right now, but starting on Tuesday, February the 25th, they will be 1 penny. As promised, here's your cheat sheets, and I told you all this video is jam-packed full of deals, so you might want to go back and rewatch it just to make sure you didn't miss anything. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for now, but you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon.